Hi everybody, today I will show you how to create sitemap for WordPress website. So let's just begin. Alright, so to create the sitemap, all we need to do is to install a plugin. So for that, we have to go inside the plugin and click on the add new here. Okay, so in the plugin, we have to search for all-in-one here, and you will be able to see the plugin all-in-one SEO by all-in-one SEO team. Okay, so this plugin actually has 3+ million active installation. So we'll simply install this plugin. Click on the activate. Now you can see the setup wizard of our plugin here. So let's click on the let's get started here. Okay. So if we do have any data in our previous SEO plugin, so we can simply import the data from here. So you can see here that we can import the data from here, or we can also skip this part as well. Okay, but I will simply click on import data and continue. And here we just have to describe our website here, whether it is a blog, online store, corporation, portfolio, small offline business, or news channel. Okay, so I think I will simply go here with the blog here, and you can also write down the other answer if you want to write here. And after that, we have the homepage title and we have the homepage meta description. Okay, so let's just click on save and continue. And here you can simply add the additional site information, whether this website belongs to a person or the organization, and you can also see the other options here. Okay, so I'll simply click here on the person. You can choose the person from here, and you can also upload the default social share image here as well. And you can also see that we can add the social profiles here as well. Okay, but I'll simply skip these values here and click on save and continue. Okay. So the important thing to add the sitemap on our website is that you have to enable the sitemaps here, okay? And you can also enable the other values here. It totally depends on your need, but I will simply uncheck this value. So this feature is actually the part of the pro version, so I simply uncheck this. Alright, so I will actually go with these values here. Now let's click on save and continue. Okay. So this is our Google snippet preview. As you can see here, we have home, we have our URL, and this is actually the meta description of our website. So we can also edit this if you want to. But right now, I just simply keep this like this. And you can also see the other options here, that whether the website is under construction or whether our website is live, ready to be indexed. Okay, you can choose the option from here as well. And whether you want to include all post types here. And after that, we have the option to enable the sitemap that is enabled by default. So do our website have the multiple author or not? So that is no. And redirect the attachment pages. Okay. All right. So now let's click on save and continue. And here I can simply set up the site analyzer and smart recommendations, but I'll simply skip this part. All right. So at the moment, I'm actually using the light version or the free version of our plugin. But if you want to use the pro version of this plugin, then you would have to paste the license key here as well. Okay, so let's click on skip this step. All right, so we have finished our setup here. We can also set up the webmaster tools from here, and we can also see the advanced setting from here. But right now, as we know that our goal was to create the sitemap for our website. So we have created that. So I just simply click on finish setup and go to our dashboard. Alright, so we have done our setup here. So now what we need to do, we want to see our sitemap here. Okay, so how can we see that? That is really easy. Let's just scroll down, and in the all-in-one SEO plugin, you will be able to see the option of the sitemaps here. So let's click here, and from here we can actually have a look at our sitemap of our website. Alright, so as you can see here that we have the general setting of our sitemap. So in the general setting, we can simply preview our sitemap. So I would also click this, and let's just have a look at our sitemap settings. So in the sitemap settings, we can enable the sitemap indexes. So that is enabled by default. And we also have the link per sitemap. So you can increase or decrease the value from here as well. And if you want to include the post types, you can also include it. And if you want to include the taxonomies, you can include it from here. And we also have the data archive sitemap and author sitemap. So if you want to enable these values, you can simply enable it from here as well. Okay. And you also have the option of the additional pages. Okay. So let's enable this. And in the additional pages, you can actually use this section to add the URLs to our sitemap, which are actually not the part of our WordPress installation. Okay, but I don't want to add anything here, so I just simply disable this. And in the last, we also have the advanced settings. So if I just enable the advanced settings here, you can see this. I can also exclude post and the pages here. I can exclude the terms if I want to, and I can also set the priority score and post type priority score, taxonomy priority score, and I can also exclude the images from here from our sitemap. Okay, but I don't want to do any changes here, so let's just go to our sitemap index here. Okay, so now you can see this is our sitemap, and this is the URL of our sitemap. Okay, so this is the sitemap of our website. All right, so this is how it works, and this is how we can create the sitemap for our WordPress website. So if you really find this video useful, hit the like button and subscribe to the channel.